at the cleaning location, we then start the motion of wetting our mop in the solution and then attempting to wring it out. Most mops, when wrung out firmly, will contain enough moisture to mop about 12 square metres. The first half of this area too often becomes over-wet as the mop fibres are only releasing solution onto the floor. It is not until the halfway point that the mop becomes dry enough to start picking up or absorbing the cleaning solution. This means the first part of our floors will always be left wetter than the second part. Mopping small areas like bathrooms are a much bigger challenge, as most washrooms are only 3 to 4 square metres in floor area. Traditional mops will never get dry enough to actually pick up cleaning solution and dry the floor. Floor areas that have been mopped with traditional mopping can remain wet and slippery for up to half an hour after they are mopped. Each time you place the mop back into the bucket, you are contaminating your cleaning solution. And it has been common practice to mop most of your floors with this dirty, possibly contaminated cleaning solution. As a wet floor reflects light evenly, it will give the illusion that the floor is clean. However, if we were to take a squeegee and remove the residual wet solution, we would easily be able to see the amount of dirt and grime left behind. All we have really done in this old mopping process